Planning to compete with Wise in 2026? Stop! You'll lose before you even launch. Wise has built one of the world's most recognized money transfer platforms, helping millions of users move money across borders quickly and efficiently. Their model works because of scale: more countries, more currencies, more banking integrations, more transfer corridors. But here's the problem. Not every money transfer business needs to serve the entire world. Many of the biggest opportunities exist inside specific transfer corridors. Mexico to the United States, Saudi Arabia to the Philippines, Europe to North Africa. And that's where the next generation of money transfer platforms can win. If you're building a fintech platform, in 2026, the opportunity may not be global. It may be serving a specific region, community, or remittance corridor better than anyone else. Let's break down why this works and how to build it. The regional remittance opportunity. Wise is designed for global coverage. The platform supports dozens of currencies and transfer routes around the world. That's a major strength. But global platforms face a challenge. They must build for everyone. And when you build for everyone, it becomes harder to optimize for specific communities, languages, payout preferences, and regional financial behaviors. A worker sending money from Saudi Arabia to the Philippines has very different expectations than a freelancer moving funds between the United States and Colombia. That's where the opportunity appears. Instead of building another global money transfer platform, founders can focus on serving a specific transfer corridor exceptionally well. Instead of competing on global coverage, you compete on local relevance. The platform can support local languages, preferred payout methods, and services designed specifically for that community. And once users trust the platform for money transfers, expansion becomes much easier. You can add digital wallets, bill payments, business transfers, payroll services, contractor payouts, and other financial products around the same ecosystem. At this point, if you're planning to build something like this for your business, then connect with us at Code Brew Labs. We've worked with over 5,000 businesses globally, including 20+ companies building fintech, payment, and money transfer platforms in the past year, helping them launch faster and scale efficiently. If you'd like to get in touch, use the WhatsApp link in the description. It will take you directly to WhatsApp, where you can share your details, and our team will reach out to schedule a live demo at your convenience. Now, if you want to see how all of this actually comes together in a real-world setup, continue watching. Now let's take a look at the Money Transfer app. As soon as the user logs into the app, they arrive on the home screen. At the top, users can view their available balance along with the current exchange rate from US dollars to Mexican pesos. The dashboard also provides a quick overview of total money transferred during the month, the number of transfers completed, and recent transfer activity. Users can access their favorite recipients for faster transactions and use quick actions such as send money, add recipient, track transfer, and view history. The home screen also displays important notifications, including exchange rate alerts, along with a detailed overview of recent account activity and transactions. Next, we move on to transfers. This section is used to send money internationally. At the top, users can view the live exchange rate between US dollars and Mexican pesos. As the transfer amount is entered, the converted amount is automatically calculated in real time. Users can then select a recipient, choose a payout method such as bank deposit or mobile wallet, and proceed to review the transfer before confirming the transaction. Next, we move on to services. This section provides access to additional financial services beyond money transfers. Users can pay utility bills, perform mobile recharges, locate cash pickup locations, and configure exchange rate alerts. The platform also provides quick access to recently used services, including mobile recharge and bill payments. Additional services include recurring bank deposits, family support transfers, transfer calculators, and referral programs that allow users to earn rewards through referrals. Next, we move on to activity. This section provides a complete history of transaction activity. At the top, users can monitor total money sent, completed transactions, transfers in progress, and fees paid. As we scroll down, we can review detailed transfer records, including recipient information, transfer amount, payout amount received by the recipient, transaction status, and transfer history. This gives users complete visibility into all money movement across their account. Finally, we move on to Profile. This section provides account management and user settings. At the top, users can review their total amount sent, completed transfers, transfers currently in progress, and fees paid during the month. Below that, users can manage their linked bank accounts, add new bank accounts, add debit cards, and manage recipients directly from the app. The Profile section also includes account settings such as security preferences, notification settings, transfer limits, exchange rate alerts, document management, help and support, and information about the BorderPay platform. And with this, we come to the end of the Money Transfer app demo. Now let's take a look at the Money Transfer admin panel. As soon as the administrator logs into the dashboard, they get a complete overview of platform performance. At the top, we can monitor total transfers, transfer volume, active users, revenue, and other key operational metrics. Next is the transfer success rate, along with revenue by source displayed through a donut chart. The dashboard also includes a live activity feed showing recent transactions and user activity happening across the platform in real time. Alongside that, we can monitor overall system health, including payment processing, KYC verification, exchange rate APIs, notification services, and other critical platform components. This allows administrators to quickly identify any service interruptions or performance issues. Next, we move on to users. This section provides complete visibility into all registered users on the platform. At the top, we can monitor total users, active users, verified users, KYC pending users, and monthly transactions. Below that, the user management table displays user ID, name, email address, country, verification status, join date, and available actions. User statuses can include verified or pending, allowing administrators to quickly review account verification progress. Next, we move on to KYC and compliance. This section is used to review and approve customer verification requests. At the top, we can monitor the verification queue and identify applications requiring attention. Verification requests are categorized based on their risk level, including normal, medium priority, and high priority cases. Administrators can review government-issued IDs, selfie verification records, and proof of address documents directly from this section. Each profile also includes a compliance checklist, review notes, and approval actions, allowing compliance teams to approve or reject verification requests while maintaining regulatory standards. Next, we move on to transfers. At the top, we can monitor today's transfers, total transfer volume, average transfer amount, and transfer success rate. Below that, every transfer is recorded with details such as transfer ID, sender name, recipient name, transfer amount in US dollars, recipient amount in Mexican pesos, exchange rate, transfer status, and transfer date. Next, we move on to recipients. This section manages all recipient accounts added by users. Each record includes the recipient name, account information, bank details, country, the user who added the recipient, date added, total amount received, total transfers completed, and available actions. Next, we move on to services. At the top, we can monitor API calls today, active services, service success rate, and average response time. Below that, we can review operational services such as payment processing, identity verification, compliance checks, and exchange rate APIs. The service management table displays service name, operational status, endpoint details, last activity, and available actions, helping administrators monitor platform infrastructure and service availability. Next, we move on to exchange rates. This section provides real-time visibility into exchange rate activity across the platform. Administrators can compare rates from different providers, including Western Union, MoneyGram, and average banking rates. We can also review historical exchange rate trends between the US dollar and Mexican peso, helping teams monitor currency fluctuations and rate performance throughout the day. Next, we move on to reports and revenue. At the top, we can monitor monthly revenue, annual revenue, monthly recurring revenue, average transaction fee, and profit margin. As we scroll down, we can review revenue trends, revenue by source, daily transaction volume, weekly comparisons, and monthly growth performance. The Invoice Management section contains invoice details, including invoice ID, customer information, billing amount, invoice date, payment status, and available actions. This provides complete visibility into the financial performance of the platform. Finally, we move on to settings. The Platform Settings section allows administrators to manage company information, contact details, user registration controls, API settings, and platform branding. Within Transfer Settings, administrators can configure minimum and maximum transfer limits, daily transaction limits, fee structures, supported source countries, supported destination countries, and transfer processing rules. The Security Settings section includes controls for two-factor authentication, password policies, session management, IP whitelisting, and API key management. Lastly, Notification Settings allow administrators to configure platform notifications, KYC alerts, system notifications, report delivery preferences, notification frequency, and notification testing. And with this, we come to the end of the Money Transfer Admin Panel demo. The future of money transfer is not just about moving money across borders. It's about building financial platforms that understand the needs of specific regions, communities, and business ecosystems. Global platforms like Wise will continue to serve worldwide audiences. But founders who build specialized solutions for high-value transfer corridors can create strong competitive advantages and deeper customer loyalty. At Code Brew Labs, we help businesses build scalable fintech and money transfer platforms from the ground up. If you'd like to get in touch with us, click the link in the description. Fill out a short form, and our team will reach out to discuss your specific requirements in detail. Let's build a money transfer platform that goes beyond global coverage and creates real value for the communities you serve. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more insights on building real-world AI products.